Hello guys, it's me, Eleni, and today I decided that I would do a Look What You Made Me Do inspired Taylor Swift look. So, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my Makeup Revolution London palette, and I'm going to use the darkest shade in this palette. It doesn't have names, so I don't know what it's called, but it's this one right here. Because in the Look What You Made Me Do, well, in the certain part of the video, she has a very kind of dark, smoked out black and silver look. So I'm gonna go in with that color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in for the silver with the Interstellar palette from Blackheart from Hot Topic. And I'm going to use the shade Star, which is right here, it's this silver. Okay, so that concludes the eyeshadow portion of this look. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, so I'm going to do that off camera because I get stage fright. Okay, so this does the eye look. Now today I will be priming my face with my e.l.f. primer. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 110, so 110 Porcelain. So I'm gonna do that. I know what you're thinking. My face looks really, really white, like ghostly white. But it's okay, because I'm gonna bronze and I'm going to put on my banana powder, which will bring the color back into my face. Okay. I'm going to be using the color Shook to bronze today. Okay, so I have my bake on. I know it's very messy, I'm sorry, but I'm just going to take my buffing brush and use the color Black Hole in the Interstellar palette, just to redefine the bottoms and smoke it out a little. Okay, now it is time to brush off that bake. I'm going to use the same brush that I used for my powder. Okay, well, I'll fix the eyes in just a minute. I'm also going to apply my mascara off camera. And then after that, I will come back in for highlighting. Okay, now I am highlighting with the color Slay up here. All right, and this is the finished look. Okay, so if you liked this video, then please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, that's eleni.cmglam. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks, bye, Elle out.